Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix no delivery available on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with adding, or in this case, having delivery available on Shopify here, there are going to be a few things that you need to do. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go and check your settings and your shipping profiles. So in this case, at the bottom left here, you want to go to settings. And first thing that you want to do here is you want to go and go to locations, and you want to make sure that the location that you want to deliver to, or the the warehouse you currently have right now, is probably set up here in your locations. Like in this case, some locations may not be able to deliver to certain locations. So in this case, just click on add location here and just add the name and address for that specific location. Now, also, when you're doing this, let's go and just add a very simple one. Just add a simple address here. Once you've added the address details here, just make sure that fulfillment is actually enabled on this location. So if you haven't enabled this specific option here, you will not be able to fulfill certain orders on this specific location. Now, this case is the first step here. So since you've added the additional warehouse that you currently have and you registered, what you need to do is you just need to set up your shipping and delivery. So you want to go to shipping and delivery here at the left side. By the way, just keep your changes. Go to shipping and delivery. Now in here, you want to check your shipping profiles. Now if you click on this one, you have a bunch of options. Now the thing with shipping profiles, you could set up different locations here. So in this case, you could go ahead and enable some of them. So as you can see, this is a location. Let's go to our shipping and delivery here. In here, as you can see right now, so you have shipping here. You could go ahead and click on your shipping, and you should be able to see different locations. As you can see right now, the location I've added here is going to be the fulfillment location. So if, for example, if an order was a product is added on a specific profile, or you're using a different profile for a different region, then most likely what you need to do is you need to set up that and make it that the product is able to send or to be sent from that specific location, or included in your shipping profile. As you can see right now, I have two products that are included. So all products are actually included in the shipping profile, but if you specify only specific products on that profile, that's why some users may not be able to order, or the no delivery error is actually appearing to them. So in this case, just make sure your shipping profile here is set up, and also the product is included on that specific profile. Now, if you have additional profiles here, so in this case, if you click on custom profile and added like product, specific products, just make sure they're probably set up the products here. Also, the fulfillment location, you may want to change this to a different one if you're fulfilling on the different locations. As you can see, I am fulfilling from Cebu and as well Manila here. So you can remove this if you want. So in this case, because you no longer ship products in this profile, you can select that, click on done. So basically, just choose Cebu. You can go and add a shipping zone here and just specify the location for it. But yeah, so those are the things that you could try doing here to fix this problem. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.